Welcome to another Hoop Tech how-to. Today we will show you how to install, adjust, and use your Persona clamping system. This system is compatible with PR and Babylock 6 needles, PR and Babylock 10 needles, the Tajima Sai, Janome MB7, as well as the PRS100 and Babylock Alliance. The Persona clamping system comes with a complete set of 4 windows: the 2x2, 4x4, 3x5, and 7x6. To begin, you will need to load your window of choice. Each window set comes in 2 pieces. Insert the pink window into the bottom and twist the black knob to tighten. Then put the silver top piece in. You may need to pinch the silver arms to lock it into place. After you have the window installed, close your clamp. Loosen the screws on the side so you can adjust it once it's on the machine. Place it on your drive bar in the same spot you would set your cap driver. Use the thumb screws that came with your machine to tighten it down. This extended part is called the override bracket. It pushes down the tab on your machine here, which controls the size of your sewing area. If you are receiving a message like this one, you can use pliers to adjust it slightly up or down, which will open up your sewing area. Now we will adjust the clamp. With an Allen wrench in hand, press down on the back of the clamp so it's resting on the sewing arm. While pressing down with one hand, use the other hand to tighten the screws a little. You will want your clamp to be setting about 1 mm above the plate. Once you have it there, go ahead and finish tightening the screws. Load your garment and backing of choice into the clamp. Then, once you have it lined up where you would like your design to go, close the clamp. As always, make sure you do a trace. This protects both your clamp and your machine. Now you're good to sew. This clamp will allow you to embroider on lunchboxes, backpacks, bags, blankets, and so much more. Thank you for watching another Hoop Tech how-to. For more tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram.